Hi, it's a pleasure to meet you again. Today is a new lesson for you. Unit 2.2 is to a true story of sea turtles written by Bahu Katari of the Sayadri Nisarg Mitra is a NGO engaged in protection of wildlife. In the year 1992, volunteers started their work in Konkan in Maharashtra and they have their headquarters in Chiplun. A group of volunteers undertook a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. The people who used to steal the eggs of turtles were now trained and involved in the protection of turtles. Let's see in detail page number 31.
Unit 2.2 A True Story of Sea Turtles. Now, what is sea turtles? Means a turtle is a large reptile which has a thick shell covering its body and which lives the sea most of the time. Okay. Now, we were surveying the white-bellied sea eagle in the summer that year. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pit with white egg shells nearby. So here we were surveying, means some volunteers were surveying, means investigate or studying the white-bellied sea eagles. Here a large day bird which hunts, that is a sea eagle, in the summer that year, the summer season that year. The year is not mentioned here. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team, as they were all near the sea coast, the volunteers were roamed with their teams, saw some shallow pits. And what they saw? Some shallow pit. Pit is a large hole with white egg cells nearby. What they found? White egg cells. The cells of the white egg they found nearby the coastal areas. Enquiries with the villagers revealed that turtle eggs. This came as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks together the beaches of Konkan in all these years. Here, the enquiries with the villagers. Now, the volunteers, those who have visited the Konkan, near the Konkan areas, they were asked the villagers to reveal. To reveal means known to others. They are asking others that they were turtle's eggs. They are identified after that that the things are the white cells are the turtle's eggs. This came as a surprise. So they found this as a surprise. We had never come across turtle's eggs in our walk along the beaches of Konkan. So they never known about these are the turtle's eggs while walking along the beaches of Konkan. So while walking that area, they never knows that is a turtle's eggs throughout that years. Okay. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. We learned that the beaches where we had found the egg cells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month after the people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. But what we learned further shocked us to the core. Now, the volunteers decided to study this unusual means not normal occurrence meaning here an event or incident further. They have studied this incident further. We learned that the beach where we had found the egg cells, now where they roamed there, they found the egg cells that had been there started now sealed. Sealed means the peoples were not allowed to visit that spot to the public nearby 1 month. How many months? 1 month they have sealed that place. After people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area, they found that some few people were smuggling, means doing illegal activities over there. They were caught in that area. But what they further shocked us, in the core, in the center also is there, like this, the turtle's eggs they are found in the center. Core means center here. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. There are few people in every village who keeps combing the beach in the early hours of the morning. So here, turtles nest along the entire coastline. They found that the turtle nest entire coastline of our state near the, means it is the Maharashtra coast. In the Maharashtra state, they found the turtle nest all the sea coastal areas. There are few peoples in every village who keep combing, means they're searching the beach when in the early hours of the morning. The early morning they were searching the beach. What they're searching? The turtles throughout the year. When the female turtles comes on shore to the nest and to lay the eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheel on the sand. So when the female turtles comes out on the seashore to nest and to lay eggs, okay, when the female turtle comes to lay the eggs, what they leaves behind a trail, means your trail means mark or series of signs. When they comes out from the sea, they keep a mark just like a track of wheel on the sand. Just you know that the vehicles track of wheels on the sand while the vehicles moves, it become a marks on the sand. So similarly, when the turtle also does the same thing. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. Now, here the egg hunters, the people or those who are hunting the egg, follow this trail, follow these marks, the turtles' marks to the nest where the turtles laid eggs. So, which is all about how many meters? Half a meter deep. Just half a meter deep, the turtles' eggs are inside. So, they dig up their turtle nest, and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs. Just imagine that. It's too much. Just the birds lays eggs means 1 or 2. Normally, you might have seen also. So, now the turtles here 100 to 150 eggs. So, they laid inside. Okay. These eggs are then either eaten or sold in the market. So these eggs, what they did, either they might be eaten or sold in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. What happened? If the turtle is spotted while it is laying eggs, so some turtles are there on the spot area where they are laying the eggs, it is allowed to live, but they are not killing the turtle. Only what they are doing, as soon as the turtles are laid the eggs, it is caught, and they are caught the turtles, some of them eating then killed and eaten. So what they are doing here means that turtles has been caught and been killed for eating purpose. That some of them are eating turtles also. Okay, This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under the Schedule 1 of the Indian Wild Protection Act 1972. Here, this ruthless means cruel or unkind. Okay, practice is observed in all part of the world. Even all part of the world it is observed, but in India, the sea turtles has been protected, which act under the Indian Wildlife Protection Act, in which Act 1972 has the same protection. We are giving sea protection of tigers. Now the even many animals, like example dinosaur, all extinct. So how they are protecting the tigers, like white tigers and all. Similarly, here also under the Act 1972, they are protecting the turtles. Okay. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtle is carried on a secret, hush manner. So here all this business is gathering turtle eggs and killing the turtle is carried on. So all this business, like for example, the egg enters, catching the turtles, eggs are stolen. So these are they are doing in a secret manner. Hush means not discussed with other. Okay, secret manner. All this information was distressing. We began to think seriously about it. So this information distressing means causing sorrow or pain. This information, by hearing this information, we began to think seriously about this. We decided to undertake the project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. Now the volunteers, they have undertaken a project to protection of the turtles, sea turtles, and conservation means saving or preservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra, and the nest also to be preserved in Maharashtra. We had no experience regarding sea turtles, so the first of all we undertook a study of turtles. We contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India. The next step was launching a turtle protection campaign at Vedas Taluka, Madgaon district, Ratnagiri. So here the Sahyadri Mitra Nisarg volunteers had no experience regarding the sea turtles. So first they all undertook a study of turtles and they contacted institute that work for the protection of turtles in India. The next step was launching the turtle protection campaign. The next what they did, they launched a turtle protection campaign at Velas Taluka at Madgaon district, where it is in Ratnagiri. This was with the support and coordination of Forest Department. As a part of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for turtle nests on the beach in the morning. So this was done. So these activities to protect the turtles, these activities was done with the support and coordination of Forest Department. They were helped to protect the turtles. A part of the campaign, a few local people, those who are residing there, the Konkan area, so that people also appointed to look the turtle nest beach in the morning. So they came across the nest. They had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit. So what they did to give a protection for the turtles, so few people were appointed to look for the turtle nest. So the morning, what they did, the morning they came across the nest. They went near the nest. They had carefully removed the eggs from the nest. See, you know that how many eggs are there? 100 to 150 nearby it was egg. So they carefully removed from the nest, and What they did? Again, they buried them again in a similar pit, the same exact pit, a large deep hole. Again, they buried there, and but one protected with a wire fencing. But what they given here, they protected with a wire fencing, means the public should not enter where they made the pit. So they buried the eggs inside the pit. So they have given, sorry, they buried they made over there wire fencing. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent theft. So what they did, they had to watch. So they appointed certain people to protect over the protected nest to prevent theft. Somebody should not stolen the eggs. So they appointed certain people to protect the eggs. So that's why they made wire fencing also. In the first year, we could successfully protect 50 nests. In this manner, when the babies hatched out the eggs, when an event that was. So here, the first year only, when they carried a project, the first year, they could successfully protect how many nests? 50 nests. Okay, nest they protected when the babies hatch out. So when the baby hatched out, means it comes out from the eggs. What an event that was. What a event. Means really. So total eggs means 1 to 150. Nearby eggs were laid by the turtles. So it was comes out means it is an event. No? The whole villager rushed to the beach to witness the spectacles. So the whole village people over there went to see these wonders, amazing things, to witness the spectator. They have seen that. Spectacle means they've seen the wonders. So when the tiny turtles hatching hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea. So here the tiny, a small turtle. So tiny means small. Turtle hatchlings. So it comes out from the egg, hurried across the silver sand in the area that called a silver sand to meet the rolling boundless sea. That the small baby of turtles comes out and it was rolling. When an ovations they received from onlookers. So what a ovation here? Praise. Ovation means praise they received from the onlookers. So many of them are watching these viewers. Onlookers, viewers were watching that the turtles eggs was buried and the small babies are come out from that, and not one or two, it is totally 100 to 150 eggs. Just imagine. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was not for the first time they had seen the hatching rushing to the sea. See, some of the elderly villagers, the elder peoples, confess, they agreed. So they have, long back, they have what happened? What they stolen the turtles and their eggs also they have eaten. But right from their school days, okay, for the first time, from the school time to till their age, for the first time, they had seen such a wonders. And sling means the turtles, the baby turtles comes out from the eggs. So all of them rushing to the sea. There are 7 types of sea turtle in the world, 5 of which are found in India. The olive ridley turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Green turtles and hogbills have also been found. Here, total all over the world, there are how many types? 7 types of sea turtles all over the world. Out of that, 5 species of turtles found in India. So olive ridley is the name of the turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. So you can see the one species like olive ridley turtles where we can find the entire near the coastline of Maharashtra. Everywhere, the entire place in Maharashtra, you can see the olive ridley turtles. Not only that, apart from this, green turtles, it looks in large greenish color but in large size, and hawksbills. It is also the name of the turtles also been found. An amazing characters of turtles is what when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearly after a gap of 15 years, she returned to the shore to lay eggs eggs at the same place where she was born. Now, one more wonder, just see, amazing. These are characters of turtles. What are the characters of turtles? The female turtles reaches maturity. When a small, from the small bird to till after 15 years, sorry, 15 years, it reaches the maturity. After that, she went to that shore to lay the eggs where she was born. The same place where she was born, that place only the female turtle is going there to lay the eggs. The females comes out shore just to make the nest in the sand and lay her eggs. The female comes out from the sea, okay, and shore and to just to make the nest in the sand and lay their eggs. Just they are laying the eggs on the seashore, okay, laying eggs just for the coming out from the sea, and they are laying eggs and immediately return to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. Just see here. After that, the female turtle never looks after the nest. The eggs hatch after a period 45 to 50 days using natural heat. The innumerable dangers await the little hatchling in the deep sea, and they have to face them all of their own. Here, after hatching, a period, how many days it takes? 45 to 50 days it takes after the to the small turtle to come out from the hatch. So, by using natural heat, already we learned now the female turtle, as soon as the lays eggs, it goes back again to the sea. So 45 to 50 days it takes by natural heat. But when the baby turtles comes out, there is an innumerable dangers are waiting for the little hatchling in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. So the mother take as for example the birds are there, then birds and the small babies, the birds are taking care of their small babies, correct na? But here the turtles are not looking after the babies, just it comes out by the heat, okay, 45 to 50 days it takes, but and they have to face them all of their own. What are the problem? The small turtles only taking care of them, but their survival, due to that the survival is therefore as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. Just imagine that 100 to 150 at a time the female turtles lays eggs, but when 1,000 eggs are there, hardly you can see 1 or the 2 turtles being alive. The turtles perform an important function. Just see here what the important functioning. They keep the sea clean. Very important function. The turtles keep the sea clean. They occupy an important place in marine ecology. Thus they occupy, due to that they occupy an important place. They occupy an important place in marine ecology. Marine ecology means a scientific study of marine life habit. Okay. So considering all these factors, it is vital to undertake their protection on a large scale. So due to this, because it keeps the sea clean, because of these all factors, it is necessary, vital to undertake their protection. It is necessary to take their protection on a large scale. After the success at Velas, we started implementing the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. So here, first they started at Velas and they have been succeed by implementing the project. What was the project? To save the turtles. So within 5 years, they covered the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Okay, they have all surveyed. Protections was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. So protection was offered. So they are given protections for 80 of the villages. Turtles' nests were found. So while they surveyed, they found how many village? 80 of the village. Turtle nests they were found. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in sealing the eggs, then to train and to involve them in the work of protections. So our strategy means their plan was to engage those who were involved in stealing the eggs. To previous days to steal the eggs. Now that peoples only they are trained and involve them in the work of protection means protecting the turtles. So we started the Turtle Friend Awards in Kasav Mitra to encourage more people to be a part of the protections campaign. So now they have started. Those who are stealing the turtles, they have been trained and to protect the turtles. By through these, they started the Turtle Friends Award, that is in Marathi called Kasav Mitra, to encourage more peoples to be a part of the protection of this campaign. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protections of turtles was prepared to spread the message. Now, a comprehensive booklet, one booklet they made, in that instructions were given, and a short film based on the turtles for the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept, Turtle Festivals or Kasa Mahotsav, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacles of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. Now, in the year 2006, saw the beginning, the novel concept by seeing they have already advertised the novel, okay, the concept. So, they have celebrated now festival, Turtle Festival or Kasa Mahotsav, an opportunity for tourists. So many tourists are arrived over there. So it is an opportunity for the tourists to witness the unique spectacles, means to see the spectacle, means to see the scenes of the hatchling rushing out to the sea. How hatchling already I explained that the eggs from the eggs, the small turtles comes out. Okay, a short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional feature of the festival. Short film they made based on the turtles and the natural beauty. Both were the scenic beauty, but the additional feature of the festivals. For celebrating festival, both features are added by showing the film and the scenic beauty of Konkan. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue: the hatchling should not come to even the side due to this tourist activity. At the same time, they are preventing the turtle saving also. But we were quite firm on the issue. There should not be any create a issue that for the hatchling should not come even the slightest harm. The turtle should not get harmed due to this tourist activity. Okay. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villages. The response to this novel concept of homestay was excellent. Now here the tourists, the people, those who are visiting, the visitors were accommodated, means they are getting provided lodges in the homes of the villages only. They are accommodating where? In the homes of the villages. So the response to this novel concept, the novels, their homestay was an excellent. Their homestay was an excellent. The Turtle Friend Club was established in each village The members being all the villagers offering homestay, all the villagers would now offer the same rate for homestay. Now they have formed one club. What was the club name? The Turtle Front Club was established in each village. Every village they established Turtle Front Club. In there, all the villages peoples they're offering their um, homestay. They're offering their rooms for the stay of the visitors, and all the villagers they are charging the same rate for the homestay. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the turtle protection fund. Now they have decided to give how many percent? 10% for the what they have received the income for homestay. From that they are giving 10%. The funds would not the funds would be utilized for the purpose of protections and conservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped. So now the funds what they have donated that is been utilized only for the protection and conservations. Conservation means preservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped. Even they use the modern technology for the conservation of turtles. The festival reached all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. Now the festival, the celebrations festival, turtle festival, it has been reached all over the world and through the medium of the internet and their website. The peoples around the world began to contact the smaller villages of Konkan. Even the peoples, those who are residing outside, they contact the small village peoples of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35%. Now, more and more villages peoples came forward to do this work. This work means the to preservation of turtles work, and the members of homestay they are providing a home their home to the visitors. That percent also increase up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit Velas in the turtle season. Just imagine that now 800 people began to visit which place? Velas in the turtle season. This meant more business for the villager. This proves that the village peoples are earning money. Now they realize that tourism can be a source of income. Now they realize that it is a one source of income. Tourists bring in money. In order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchling. Now from the tourists they are receiving the money to bring in money in order to earn that money. So they thought that what was the main important to protect the turtles hatchlings. This was conservation of true livelihood. So this is proved afterward that is a conservation of nature through their livelihood. See, previous these people only used to kill, stolen their eggs. Now they are conserving the turtles for their livelihoods. In its true sense, Velas became a project's main success story. In that place, Velas, it is the name of the place, it is a project main success story. In that place, the protection of turtles has been come true. It is a true story, it proves. Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, our organization believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. Now, Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, they are the NGOs. So they thought that their organization believed that it is the local villages ultimately offer an excellent. Now they are the local villager peoples are protecting the turtles and their species excellently. If they given freedom to do that, the conservation project become sustainable. If that people only will look after the turtles by that project, conservation project, if the village people will look after that, it become sustainable, means they can well maintain the projects. With this belief, we entrusted the project for the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villages, and the Turtle Friends Club. With this belief, the writer say that by this belief, who was the writer? Bahu Kadare says that we trusted our NGOs, our volunteers are entrusted the project to the means here entrusted means assign the responsibility. Now they are assigning the responsibility to the project to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, and the villagers, and also their Turtles Friends Club. All of them are handling it wonderfully. Now all of them are handling the project wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. Now these the volunteers are hand over. To more they have hand over the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villages, and the Turtle Friend Clubs. Now they are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary, and they are offering their help when they need. So this lesson written by Bahu Kadare, Sayadri Nisarg Mitra. Thank you.
Summary of the lesson. 2.2. A true story of sea turtles. The writer Babu Kadare talks about his own experience. He and his volunteers found a pit of turtles on a beach. Then they found a series of disturbing and illegal activities such as theft of turtle eggs, which were later eaten or sold in the market. Then they found out that it was necessary to create a safe environment for the eggs to hatch, since turtles played an important role in marine ecology by keeping the sea water clean. After much research and planning, a turtle protection campaign was launched at Velas, Taluka, Mangaon district, Ratnagiri, along with the forest department. The people who used to steal the eggs earlier were now trained and involved in their protection. Initiatives such as the Kasa Mahotsav turtle festivals gave the tourists an opportunity to witness the spectacular sight of the hatchling rush into the sea. The local populations also had many incentives such as Turtle Friend Award and the Turtle Friend Club, which included the families in the village who provided homestay facilities to the tourists. 10% of the income from each family was given to the Turtle Protection Fund. This was mutually benefiting process of conservation of nature through livelihood. Almost 800 tourists started gathering for the festival every year, and up to 35 families started offering homestay facilities. Thereafter, the project was handed over from the Sayadri Nisarg Mitra to the Forest Department, Gram Panchayat, and the Turtle Friends Club in the villages. The writer, through this inspiring story, bring out the significance of the contribution of common peoples in the protections of many species of turtles. Thank you.